What's up, guys? It's Cello. This is my first ever video. Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to be showing you all of my hobbies that I love to do throughout this channel. So if you're here, please like and subscribe, and I'm very blessed to have you here today. So today we'll be opening 2 score packs and a Prestige 2020 pack. So I don't know too much about football cards. I mean, when I was little, I used to open them all the time. So now I'm starting to get back into it from one of my friends. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so the first pack we're going to be opening is Score. Mecole Hardman Jr., Taylor Gabriel, Keenan Allen, we got Darius, Casey, who's this? Danielle Hunter, solid. Jameis Winston, he needs to be in that Saints uniform. Jair Alexander. There's Teddy Bridgewater. Darius Slay Jr. Got another Saints player, Latavius Murray. If you haven't noticed yet, I'm a big Saints fan, so. Jalen Ramsey. Who's this? Tyler Eifert. Alright. Another Bengal, AJ Green. Terrell Lewis. In the zone, Cooper Kupp, not bad. Nice huddle up card, Kansas City Chiefs. Dak Prescott, not a bad looking card. Gardner Minshew, nice. And this is my favorite player right here, Drew Brees, man. Wow, that's a sweet card. He's a man. Raekwon McMillan, J.J. Watt, Jameson Crowder, Justin Houston, Lamar, nice. Probably breaking some ankles, you know. Nick Foles and the Jaguars. Ryan Tannehill. Little Tennessee Titans card, nice. In the zone, DeAndre Hopkins from the Texans. This is a sweet card. Deep dive, Lamar Jackson. That's nice. Sweet card. Who's this? AJ Brown. That's sweet. Game Face. Who's this? Joe Mixon. He was on my fantasy team, I think last year. Came in last place. Joey Bosa. Ooh. My boy Alvin. That's a sweet card. Deep dive. That's nice. Rookie. Justin Herbert. That's sweet. AJ. Epinesa, I think is how you say it. I don't know. Gabriel Davis. Xavier McKinney. Anthony McFarland. And Brian Lewerke, I think is how you say it. So not bad for a first pack. So now we'll go to the next one. Alright, so now here is our second score pack. Alright, so we got all of our cards. So let's go through it. John Brown, not bad. Chris Herndon, Vance McDonald. I don't know how you pronounce this guy's name, but pretty cool looking card. Justin Reed. That's sweet. Darius Leonard. Fletcher Cox. We got Derrick Henry. Should have grabbed him in fantasy this year. Alshon Jeffrey. Roquan Smith. Mike Williams. Trey Burton. Alright, that's pretty sweet. Will Dissly. Calvin Ridley. My cousin actually beat me in the playoffs this year with him. He put up like 32 points. And I was the 1 seed and he was like the 4 seed. So Nick Bosa, OSU. Stephon Diggs. Gerald Everett. Marquez Valdes-Scantling. Jordan Howard. Melvin Ingram. Nice. This. Charlie Warner, I think that's how I say it. Not bad. Nice. Game face Michael Thomas. Yeah, he had 0 receptions and 0 yards in last week's game against the Buccaneers. That guy kind of sucked, but not bad. In the zone, Dalvin Cook. Huddle up, Ravens. Not bad. There you go. Sorry about the little glare. Derrick Henry. Nice. Pretty good. 49ers. Nice. Josh Jacobs. Game face, J.J. Watt. Next level, Chris Godwin. Nice. Christian McCaffrey, that's sweet. Deep dive. Michael Thomas, next level. Man, I love all these Saints cards, man. They're sweet. Patriots. 3D. Nice. Game face Tom Brady. That's awesome. Joe Burrow. Nice. Ohio State. C.J. Henderson. Denzel Mims. Salvin Ahmed. Steven Montez. And Javon Kinlaw. Nice. Not bad. Alright, and now our last pack of the video, the Prestige 2020. So let's hope we get something good. Got Hunter Henry. Chargers, nice. Bears, Akeem Hicks. Quentin Nelson. Nice. Colts. Cortland Sutton. Man, all these cards are like flipped around. I don't know. Casey Hayward. Javon Wims. Jacoby Brissett. I wonder if he will start next year. Phillip Rivers, hopefully. Devin Singletary, not bad. Devontae Parker. All right. Levante David. Leonard Fournette. Traquan Smith. Nice. That's a sweet card. Marquez Valdes-Scantling. Ben Roethlisberger. Jared Stidham. Kevin Byard. Justice Hill. Man, we haven't had much luck today, so hopefully we get something good. I'm praying. James Devlin. A.J. Brown. Cooper Kupp. C.D. Lamb. Ooh, Cowboys rookie card. It's pretty cool. Desmond Patman. Nice. Who's this? Ooh, London. That's a sweet card. Prestige. Worldwide. Dave Montgomery. Chicago Bears in London. That's sweet. That's a sweet card. This. Inside numbers, Blake Martinez, 155 tackles. Sweet. Ooh. Whoa. Heroes Aaron Rodgers. That's pretty sweet. I have no clue how much these cards go for, but This is a good looking card. I'll definitely put it in the card sleeve for sure. Youth Movement, Lamar Jackson. That's sweet. Van Jefferson, Rams. Grant Delpit. All my boys are Browns fans, so they're gonna like this one. That's sweet. T. Higgins, nice. And last one, Jonathan Taylor. And then, yeah, Kid Reporter. But yeah, not bad. So from the 3 packs that we opened today, we got about 110 cards, and sadly no autographs. But I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. I know when I watch card videos, it's very relaxing, and it's quite interesting to see what other people get. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you guys want another one, let's get a like goal between 10 and 15 likes for the first video. And I'm very excited to see where this channel goes, because I'm just going to show you guys my hobbies, and later this year we'll do some one-on-ones in basketball versus my friends, because I love the game of basketball. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and thank you for being here today. Have a good one.